Hi friends, in this video I want to show you how I make my grilled chicken kebabs. So the first thing we're going to do, let's get to the chicken. So what you need is just some plain, regular, skinless and boneless chicken breast. And I am going to season it with my chicken seasoning from Miss Dash, salt free. So that is a very good seasoning if you are trying to watch your sodium intake or you just don't care for a whole lot of salt or no salt. So what we're going to do, we're going to heavily season each side. Then we're going to grab our can of pineapples. You will need a can of pineapples or you can use fresh pineapples. It depends on you. If you use fresh pineapples, make sure you have your pineapple juice as well. I am going to pour in some pineapple juice in my bowl there with my chicken and seasonings. And then I am going to cover my bowl and put it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. While it's in the fridge, I'm going to soak my kebab sticks there. You want to soak those in regular water. That's going to prevent it from burning while you grill these. So now I'm just going to put my chicken and my pineapples, and I also have some onions that you can see in the background. You can use white onions, yellow onions, or red onions, whatever is your preference. And we're just going to do all of our kebabs here, and then we're going to step outside. Okay, so I have my little silver plank thing there. I don't know the exact name, but I'm just going to say it's a silver plank thing. You can get those from the Dollar Tree. Very cheap. I think they're like 2 for $1. Before you put it on the grill, make sure you spray it with your non-stick spray so it doesn't stick to the plank thing. So anyway, make sure you also turn it like I'm doing right now. And you know what? In no time, your chicken kebabs will be done. Here is a close look for you. Doesn't that just look so good? I can guarantee you it was. It was really delicious. So that's it. There you have it, grilled chicken kebabs. And coming up next, I have a very special recipe for you. We will be making some pink Moscato cupcakes. That's right. So you don't want to miss that recipe. Stay tuned. Don't forget to visit me at iHeartRecipes.com, and I will see you all soon. Later.